What if just 3 days could give you hands-on experience with the technologies shaping the future of manufacturing? Welcome to the AICTE Idea Lab at Karpagam Academy of Higher Education, where innovation meets practical learning. This isn't just a training program, it's where curiosity becomes innovation. Watch students master smart welding, explore digital manufacturing, and transform ideas into real-world creation. From welding sparks to precision laser cutting, from CNC machines to hands-on fabrication, our students aren't just watching technology, they are working with it. Students here explore smart welding, operate CNC routers, witness laser cutting in action, and gain practical skills that textbooks can never teach. 3 days, countless experiences. On destination, AICTE Idea Lab, Karpagam Academy of Higher Education. Learn, build, innovate. The future starts here.